Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the special tourist visa. I got an email from a client the other day, and he used the specific term. He just said, I'm starting to think this whole special tourist visa is simply a quote-unquote publicity stunt. And we were discussing the overall qualifications, or the eligibility requirements, I should say, associated with special tourist visa issuance. And they are many. Meanwhile, there was talk that folks were going to be brought into Thailand under charter flight. Specifically, it's my understanding from China that were going to be admitted into Thailand in special tourist visa status. That was pushed back, and then there was some discussion. I'm not going to get into all this because it was rather anecdotal in my opinion, but there was some discussion that in fact no one had actually applied for the visa. There had just been folks that had expressed interest in tourism to Thailand specifically, and now it seems to be that the narrative is October 25th, we are going to start seeing arrivals in special tourist visa status to Thailand. All of this remains to be seen, and there seems to be, at least at a policy level, some serious discord or lack of agreement or lack of consensus regarding this special tourist visa. There have also been polls conducted of the Thai population regarding whether or not tourists should be allowed back in, and those polls have not been overly favorable, although I would say that they've been more ambivalent than they have been overtly negative. Now, that stated, in all of this, we were talking about all this, and my client said, isn't this just a publicity stunt? You know, are they just trying to, and the implication, and in certain ways it wasn't implied, it was explicit. He was basically saying, well, are they just trying to show that they're trying to get tourism back on track? I think that's certainly the case. I think everyone in Thailand wants to see tourism back desperately. That stated, there's serious public health concerns at a policy level, and they're trying to balance these concerns against the strong desire to see tourists return. So is the special tourist visa a publicity stunt in a negative way? No. I think there's a genuine desire to bring back tourists. They're trying to do it under a scheme which best facilitates the concerns associated with public health and facilitates real tourism coming back. But at least as of the time of this video, I think that there's real sort of almost, I would say, bureaucratic deadlock, if you will, with respect to how best to bring folks in while assuaging the concerns regarding public health and safety in the Kingdom of Thailand.